Cut to shots of Oslo's waterfront, vibrant streets, and lush parks. Welcome to Oslo, the capital of Norway, where pristine nature meets award-winning cultural attractions. Whether you're visiting for the art, the architecture, or the natural beauty, Oslo offers something exciting all year round. From modern design to rich history, this city has undergone an incredible transformation, making it the perfect destination for your next city break. Let's dive into the top 10 activities you need to add to your Oslo itinerary. National Museum of Norway. Show the exterior of the National Museum, transitioning to the interior showcasing beautiful artwork. First up, uncover centuries of art at the National Museum of Norway. This museum houses over 6,500 pieces of artwork spread across 86 rooms. Don't miss the stunning works of Norwegian and international artists like Edvard Munch, Monet, and Van Gogh. The museum's blend of design and societal themes will take you on a journey through time, and don't forget to check out the fantastic app for extra guides and audio tours. Oslo Opera House. Footage of people walking up the sloping roof, with panoramic views of the city and harbor. Next, head over to the iconic Oslo Opera House. This architectural gem is home to the Norwegian National Opera and Ballet and offers more than just stunning performances. You can walk right up to the roof and enjoy breathtaking views of the harbor and cityscape. If you want a quieter experience, come at sunset to catch a beautiful view of the fjord. VIGELAND Sculpture Park. Pan over the sculptures in the park, highlighting the monolith and the angry boy statue. Explore human emotions through art at VIGELAND Sculpture Park. This free-to-visit outdoor gallery is home to over 200 sculptures by Gustav Vigeland, featuring everything from joy to grief. Don't miss the monolith, a 56-foot-tall granite masterpiece that's truly a sight to behold. Dman Jva Library. Footage of the library's striking modern architecture, people exploring different floors. For a library experience like no other, visit the Dman Jva. Voted Public Library of the Year in 2025, this 6-story building is filled with art installations, a cinema, and even a breakdancing competition. Its design is as stunning as the books inside, with skylights and open spaces that encourage creativity. MUNCH Museum. Show the exterior and interior of the MUNCH Museum, focusing on the Scream artwork. Art lovers will also want to make time for the MUNCH Museum. This museum houses the largest collection of Edvard Munch's works, including 3 versions of his most famous painting, The Scream. The museum's rotating exhibits ensure there's always something new to discover. AKERSELVA River Walk. Show people walking along the river, passing waterfalls and old factories. Next, enjoy a relaxing riverside walk along AKERSELVA. This scenic 9-kilometer stretch winds through Oslo's industrial history and takes you past converted factories, picturesque waterfalls, and vibrant music venues. It's the perfect way to experience both nature and history. Floating saunas. People enjoying the floating saunas, jumping into the fjord after a sauna session. For a truly unique experience, try a floating sauna on the Oslofjord. Inspired by Finnish sauna culture, these saunas offer a relaxing way to unwind. After a hot session, take a dip in the cold fjord before hopping back into the warmth. Vintage shopping in GRUNERLOKKA. Footage of the vintage shops and people browsing through clothes in GRUNERLOKKA. Head to the artsy neighborhood of GRUNERLOKKA for some vintage shopping. This area is full of unique stores offering everything from 70s disco wear to 90s grunge. Whether you're looking for something specific or just enjoying the hunt, you're sure to find a gem. Hiking in NORDMARK. Show hikers on forest trails, with views of Oslo from the mountains. For nature lovers, Oslo has plenty of unspoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.